Scope does not go out of fashion. The quote from the P.S.I. creator Paul Schockemöhle fits like a glove to Chacthago Clou PS that he bred himself. The 6-year-old gelding by Chacboy, also known as Excelero, out of a Chacthago dam, is the half-brother of the 5-star winner Lago, whose triumphal procession also began at the P.S.I. auction in Ancum. With Laura Stremel, Chacthago Clou PS has already been victorious in young horse jumping classes at the medium level. The combination of his impressive jumping power with a generous canter and the right attitude makes him a clear challenger for the most demanding Grand Prix.